Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to shake up your hair game, a true blend of style and flexibility. We're talking about the Raquel Welch Straight Up with a Twist Elite Chin-Length Tailored Bob Wig by Hairuwear in the shade RL38 Smoke. This wig brings the timeless elegance of a classic bob with a modern twist, and today I'll walk you through how it stacks up in real-world use. Let's start with the basics. This wig features a chin-length bob with expertly tailored layers that frame the face beautifully. The RL38 Smoke shade is a cool, smoky gray with subtle hints of brown, perfect for adding depth and sophistication. The cap is designed for an average size, with measurements that provide a balanced fit for most head shapes. At just 3.3 ounces, it's lightweight but still offers a full, voluminous look. The best part? It's made with true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair, which means you can style it just like human hair, curl it, straighten it, or blow it out, without sacrificing the quality or texture. Now, onto how this wig performs. If you've ever struggled with wigs that don't quite fit or are too bulky, the hand-tied fibers on this one are a game changer. The wig's construction offers a lot of flexibility, allowing you to achieve a look that feels fresh and personalized. The sheer lace front is a major highlight. It gives the illusion of a natural hairline, which is a must for anyone looking to keep their wig style looking as realistic as possible. One of the biggest perks of the Raquel Welch Straight Up with a Twist Elite is its ease of wear. The velvet-lined ear tabs and extended nape with ultra-thin hook and loop adjusters give it a customized fit, which makes it comfortable enough to wear all day long. The adjustable straps ensure a secure fit without the headache of constant adjustments. On top of that, the lightweight design doesn't weigh you down or feel heavy, even after several hours. But it's not all smooth sailing. While this wig excels in many areas, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, like with many heat-friendly synthetic wigs, you'll need to be cautious with styling tools. While it's great that you can curl or straighten it, the heat can be tricky if you go too high with the temperature. And although the design is stylish and versatile, the texture of the fibers can sometimes feel a bit synthetic, especially if you're used to human hair wigs. But that's the trade-off with synthetic materials, which are easier to maintain. In terms of value for money, I'd say the Raquel Welch Straight Up with a Twist Elite is a solid investment. The quality of the fibers, the customizable fit, and the styling versatility all justify the price. You're paying for the craftsmanship, the ease of styling, and the realistic finish. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are synthetic wigs at a lower price point, but they often come with less flexibility in terms of styling or durability. The build quality of this wig is impressive. The hand-tied fibers and sheer lace front enhance the comfort and fit, and the cap is well made to last. As for longevity, given the synthetic nature of the fibers, this wig should hold up well with proper care. But it's important to keep in mind that synthetic wigs generally have a shorter lifespan than human hair alternatives. Regular washing and gentle styling are key to maintaining its look over time. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely options in the market. Some wigs, like the John Rennell Smart Lace Collection or Raquel Welch's other styles, offer similar features at comparable price points, though the Straight Up with a Twist does offer a bit more flexibility with heat styling. So what's the final verdict? If you're in the market for a bob-style wig that combines luxury, versatility, and easy maintenance, the Raquel Welch Straight Up with a Twist Elite is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for anyone who wants a chic, professional look with the option to experiment with different styles. Whether you're a wig veteran or a first-time wearer, this one should definitely be on your radar. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this wig, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts or share your experiences.